All right, we are going to be reading our last story in our magazine. So this one is called Light and Shadow. It's on page 28. And as we read, we're going to look for the Y at the end of the words that has that long E sound. Okay, so only the ones that have the E sound. We will start out, I will read it, and I want you to say all the words you know. And then we'll be circling underlining all the E, Y's that say E. And then we'll read it one more time and then retell at the end. Okay, so here we go. Light and shadow. So remember, I'm reading all the words and you read all the words you know out loud. Here is a riddle for you. I follow you around when it's light outside. I go away when it's dark outside. What am I? What do you think? It follows you around when it's light. It goes away when it's dark. What is it? The answer is your shadow. Oh, did you know that? So the shadow follows us around when it's light, and then when it's dark, it's all gone. Now we have a Y at the end of the word, but does it say E, O-A-E? No, it doesn't. It does not have that long E sound, so we will not underline it. All right, let's go ahead and go to the next page. Look around on a sunny day. What'd you hear? Sunny, right there, but day just has a Y sound, not an E. You'll see lots of shadows. Trees, cars, houses, and bikes may have shadows. We have a Y at the end of the word. Does it say E? May? No, it doesn't. It just says may. So we're not going to underline that one. You and your friends may have shadows. Any object that blocks light has a shadow. And I have windows right here, so if I put my hand here, bloop, 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 you can see its shadow. Can you see any shadows from where you're sitting right now? Shadows are pretty cool. Let's turn the page. We're on page 30. Remember, I'm reading and you read the words you know. Your shadow changes during the day. Day, not day, so we're not going to underline it. In the morning, the sun is low. That makes your shadow very tall. Did you know that? In the morning, your shadow will be very tall. At noon, the sun is high in the sky. That makes your shadow much shorter. In the afternoon, the sun goes down again, or goes down. Your shadow grows taller again. Then it goes away. When the sun sets, there's no more sun, your shadow goes away. So that's so interesting. In the morning, it's long. In the afternoon, when the sun's right here, your shadow would be little bitty. And then when it starts to set, it makes your shadow go shoo. And then when it sets all the way, you don't have a shadow anymore because it's dark. That's so interesting. Did we have any long E Y's? We have day, sky, very. Oh, look at that, very, right there. Any more on this page? Day, away. Nope, not the ones that say yeah. Okay, I think that's it. Let's do our last page. Your shadow moves the same way you do. You can call it a copycat. Go outside and try it. First, hop like a bunny. Bunny! Then leap like a monkey. Monkey! Your shadow will copy all that you do. How fun. So go outside and play with your shadow. See if you can make some cool stuff. Have you ever made shadow puppets on a wall where you shine a flashlight, and then you make silly things with your hands, and then you can see it on the wall. So maybe you can make some shadow puppets tonight. All right, let's read it one more time. I want you to try to read it all together with me, and then you will retell to someone at your house, okay? Here we go. Try to read all the words with me. Light and shadow. Here is a riddle for you. I follow you around when it's light outside. I go away when it's dark outside. What am I? The answer is your shadow. You could even ask someone in your house that riddle. See if they can figure it out. That would be fun. And then tell them the answer. It's your shadow. Look around on a sunny day. You'll see lots of shadows. Trees, cars, houses, and bikes may have shadows. You and your friends may have shadows. Any object that blocks light has a shadow. That's some good science facts for us. Your shadow changes during the day. In the morning, the sun is low. That makes your shadow very tall. At noon, the sun is high in the sky, so pretty much right above you. That makes your shadow much shorter. It would just be pretty little. In the afternoon, the sun goes down. Your shadow gets taller again. Then when the sun sets, it goes away. Your shadow moves the same way you do. You can call it a copycat. Go outside and try it. First, hop like a bunny. Then leap like a monkey. Your shadow will copy all that you do. All right, so we read the story. We underlined our E endings. Now your last thing to do is retell what you learned about a shadow. So go find someone in your house and retell them everything you learned about a shadow. What makes a shadow? When is your shadow the longest? When is it the shortest? When does it go away? And what are some things you can do with your shadow? So you can look through the pictures or read the story again to yourself and then go retell everything you learned about a shadow to someone in your house. And then we're done with our book. You can do some of these activities, some of the games. You can do the writing activity. You could draw a picture of your shadow and you could write your own poem about it. You can keep these books and keep reading these stories. That'd be a great idea to do during summer, but we are now done. Can you believe it? Way to go. Proud of you.